this is my big sexy garden. It's doing really good. I'm about to start watering my plants today. Oh, what the fudge! Something that ate my broski. We about to fight, bro. I know it was that dang on groundhog. I know it was. I know you fucking lying. What the hell? Bruh. I thought we would have a good day today. This just y'all. Somebody that ate my collard green, bro. And they I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say, bro. I don't even know what the fuck to say. This just pissed me off. But anyway, as I was saying, this is my garden. Except somebody ate my collard green. I know it was that groundhog, the neighborhood groundhog. He got me 2 years ago, but I think it was one of his babies because that's the one I be seeing. And then they gonna take it, bro. So you ain't even eat it. You just wasted it. I'm just done. I'm trying to do this video, but I'm really upset. That's my chicken wire. I have to put the chicken wire around my garden. It has to happen because obviously critters want to come in here and eat my stuff, and I don't like that. I don't like it. I'm very upset right now. But anyway, let me show y'all what I have growing in my garden. So right here is bell peppers. Some more bell peppers. Got a little flower right there. Look at there. Okay. This is a squash plant, zucchini plant, or I don't know if it's zucchini or squash. I believe it's zucchini. But this is zucchini plant. All back there are more peppers. I think they're gonna be like the hot peppers, sweet peppers, things of that nature. These are collard greens all over there. And yeah, that's all I have in my garden. So I'll keep you updated. This has been about maybe 3 weeks of growth. When I had them, they was really small, but now they're getting bigger. So I'm very proud of them. I take care of them. I water them almost every other day. So this is my garden. I just want to show y'all the progress and keep y'all posted. Peace.